What is the biggest NSFW green flag in a partner? 1. Is mature about using lube. I've had guys get offended and accuse me of not being moist enough. Lol. Sorry for not wanting to tear myself a new V. 2. A guy who doesn't end all intimacy the second they have eject. It's pretty jarring for women to go from the intimacy of fun time to being treated like an unwelcome house guest in 30 seconds flat. 3. My now boyfriend and I were hooking up for, like, the second time ever. Deep into the third round that night, I was sore and achy, but trying to hide it because I still just couldn't get enough of him. With one thrust he made I winced in pain, but I got myself together and put what I thought was a pretty convincing hungry fun time kitten expression back on my face. Well, when I tell you that man stopped on a dime, pulled out, kissed me gently, and said I only want it to be good for you or we're done for the night, I don't want to hurt you, I melted. He put his clothes on and left the hotel just to get me some cranberry juice and some Tylenol. He snuggled me and kissed me until we fell asleep. The consideration and care was just